Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, The Robotics Lab. Today we will be learning about slide switches. Slide switches are switches that we are using every day, and they have three pins, positive, negative, and the middle pin is for the LED or anything that the switch is used for. And here is how to connect the slide switch. First we bring a battery like this, a AA 1.5 volt, and then we put 2, and then we bring a slide switch here and an LED, and then a resistor because 2 batteries are too much. And then we put the negative pin to the terminal 1 pin in the slide switch and the positive pin in the terminal 2, and then we bring another positive pin from here and put it through the resistor and to the anode pin, which is positive, and then we connect this here, and then the common pin we put it here at the positive pin or negative pin, and here I'm going to put it on the negative pin. And then when we start simulation, the LED lights up, and if we don't want it to light up, we press the slide switch here, and it is turning off, and if we press it again, it is lit. That is because the switch has a mechanism that lets it control, that makes it on or off. Thank you for watching today's video, and please subscribe to my channel.